Today we take you to Cala Sinzias. It is a cove located in the southernmost part of the Costa Rey beach. Cala Sinzias is a free beach where there are also two beach establishments. One is reserved exclusively for customers of the resort of the same name, and the other is called Tamatit. An umbrella with two sunbeds at Tamatit in September 2023 cost €45 per day in the first row and €35 per day from the second row onwards. Prices well above those found in previous days on other beaches. And, as you can see from the images, we weren't the only ones who thought this way. It will mean that we will enjoy this fantastic sea for a while on the free beach and then return to base camp. Our 7 days in Ogliastra end here. Tomorrow early we will move to Albia to take the ferry that will go to Livorno. That's all for now, and we'll see you on our next trip.